Hey everyone, Scott Jua from Crucible Custom Props, Nerfworks Lab, and all the forums here. So here is another Return of the Jedi Boba Fett EE3 blaster. Of course, this is the Blaster Factory all aluminum and wood kit EE3. You've seen this before, maybe here. Pretty straightforward. That's exactly what it is. It's the Boba Fett. But the kit comes as the Webley. So Chris at the Blaster Factory makes the two versions, the Empire Strikes Back and the Return of the Jedi. The Return of the Jedi is different in a way that this, from here forward, is completely different from an original Webley. They have this this piece here, this adapter piece. This is not what the original Webley looks like. And then a big aluminum tube on the front with a muzzle and a bunch of T-track with this L-shaped cutout. Has the same scope, but it's mounted in a slightly different position because the original Empire Strikes Back one is mounted via the Maclaw clamps, the pull clamps or whatever they are, on the front part and the barrel. And for Return of the Jedi, I guess they did a bunch of resin casts and then made, actually there's quite a few different versions of it. There's versions where the barrel gets cut off for when Luke chops it. There's even a version with electronics in the stock where the entire stock has been bored out, has like circuit board and LEDs in it. You never see anything like that on film, but I have seen pictures of I do have pictures of the prop in the archives. So it exists, even though you never really see what it was ever used for, but it's there. It's pretty interesting. They even have the same greeblies that are cut in half, and it was really weird. But this is one of the hero ones, is just like this. In fact, I use it to copy as much of the paint as I can. I can't get exact with runs because they did a lot of washes and runs, which it's very hard to see in the light. But hopefully you can see that it's coming across on camera. But there was a lot of hand painting on this. And in some lights, this might look kind of cartoony, overdone, but in other lights, it looks very subdued and hard to kind of tell that there's anything there. But the original prop is the same way. Has a lot of runs and just, there's rust, light gray, primer, dark chalk gray, a lot of different detail to it. That's on the original prop, but I tried my best to replicate it as exactly as I can. But I'm not sure how this light is going to come off on camera with this lighting today. Of course, for some reason we've had a streak of really gloomy days here in Texas, and it's again another gloomy, wet day, very dark outside. So I have to use these lights indoors, and it's not ideal, but I think it gets the point across as far as showing what you'll see with your eye, hopefully. But even have the original props did use a real scope, and they even left the masking. There's a piece of masking tape over the lenses that they just painted over and left the masking tape, and you can see it in the props, which is pretty cool. So I did the same thing here. But these T-track are particularly time-consuming, just getting everything cut right and the shapes laid out and everything. This bevel is a 60-degree bevel that's on there. And of course you have to cut the T-track to fit around the block where the scope is mounted to. So it's pretty interesting. And then of course there's all the hand painting work trying to get that as accurate as can. Now this does function. It does have hammer that pulls back, single and double action, and you can still open up the breech. Well, I couldn't see that. It's hollow, but that's what it looks like. So very cool. Got a piece from the V8 kit here. These are 3D printed replicas, and nobody knows what this part is still, but it's a pretty good replica of it right there. And the bomb pods from the F4 Phantom E, I think. Could be wrong. I can't remember now. Anyway, those are the greeblies for it, and that's what it looks like. Again, it's Boba Fett, Return of the Jedi EE3. Super cool. Very nice kit from Field Marshal with all aluminum. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for looking. Bye-bye.